Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial today I'm going to tell you about the virtual data model in SAP BW4 HANA. So I will be telling you about the three types, and those are ODS View, Composite Provider and Badi Provider, because using these three types actually you can create a virtual data model in SAP HANA because you don't need to create any persistence layer where you need to store the data, because using these three type actually you can directly access the data where the data is stored. So I'll be giving you brief explanation about all these three types one by one. First we'll be talking about the open ODS view, and let me tell you that open ODS view is very important subject and topic in SAP HANA, because when you are trying to access any data from external source system, suppose you are trying to uh, extract data from any non-SAP source system and to SAP HANA, then actually you can create the open ODS view now based on that external data source, and then you can create a data source in your HANA system and you can load the data. So OpenODS view is kind of a middleware which places between these two systems, and you can actually fetch the data from your external system into your HANA system. And by this you no need to keep any persistence layer in between. You can just directly load the data from your source system into HANA system. And now in the next slide I'll be talking about the composite provider. And as you may know that composite provider is used when you are actually trying to join or union multiple providers. And also using the composite provider, this can be used in upper queries, or if you want to use in further data modeling in order to load the data into your HANA system, or if you want to use it in SAP Fiori or any other UI model. And now we are coming to the last one. So now we will be talking about the Badi Provider. So using the Badi Provider, actually you can enhance the code by means of ABAP implementation. And let me tell you that now in SAP HANA, suppose if you are going to create a virtual data model, then it is recommended to use OpenODS view or SAP HANA view. And if any program logic is needed, then you can do the data modeling using the SAP HANA calculation view with SQL script. But if you need to do some kind of implementation in ABAP and where you want to access the data, and that then you can use the Badi Provider. And in order to do this Badi implementation, and there is a Badi implementation method called RSO underscore Badi underscore provider. So you have to actually go into this function module, then actually you can write or whatever the code you want to write in ABAP. So also you can actually create the Badi provider in order to access the data in SAP HANA. But let me tell you that there are some kind of restriction or filter that needs to be applied in Badi provider. Like every Badi implementation must define precisely one filter, and only one character is allowed as a comparator for filter value, and that is the equal sign. And the filter value must be between 3 to 10 character long, and only the characters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9 is allowed. And you can create the Badi providers. When you go to your SAP menu, then you can go to tools. There will be option in the menu bar tools, then go to ABAP workbench, and then go to utilities, then business add-ins and implementation, and there actually you can create the Badi provider into the enhancement spot, as I told about the RSO Badi provider, and then you can go and create your Badi provider and you can write the logic. So that's all about this tutorial, and I hope you have understood. And you have any question, you can write in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and see you again with my next tutorial.